we're proud to introduce our latest innovation, the Kastus Antiviral Screen Protector. Our screen protectors are easy to install and ready to fit on any existing commercial touchscreen device. Our screen protectors are available to fit screen sizes from 4 up to 34 inches and can be ordered to bespoke specification. Each screen protector comes with an easy application kit, which includes an instructions guide, a wipe, microfiber cloth, dust removal sticker, applicator squeegee, and hinge stickers. Before applying, make sure your hands and touchscreen surface are clean. First, secure the screen protector at the top with the 2 hinge stickers and make sure the tab is facing down. Lift your screen protector up and use the alcohol wipe to clean the screen. Remove any remaining debris left on the screen with a microfiber cloth. Use the dust removal sticker to clean any remaining debris on the device. Slowly pull back the plastic covering on the back of the screen protector. Then lower the screen protector onto the surface of the touchscreen device. Take the application squeegee and push down evenly on the screen protector to remove any air bubbles. Next, remove the hinge stickers. Use the microfiber cloth to remove any final air bubbles at the edges. Your screen is now protected with a Kastus 24/7 antiviral surface protection. To discover more, visit kastus.com.